October's giveaway is a Roccabox mystery box. If you want to know how you can win this, then keep watching the video. Hi guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. Hope everybody is feeling very, very well. So October's giveaway, this month I decided to do a Roccabox mystery box. So I hope everybody likes that. They're normally quite good. I have had a little peek to see what was in there and I think you'll be quite happy with the contents, and I will show you in just a minute. Please consider subscribing to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Now the rules to enter the giveaway is, first of all, you should be subscribed to my channel. Please give this video a thumbs up, thank you. Please comment down below a wish. So your comment should start, I would wish for, and whatever it is you would like to wish for. Now this wish must be just for yourself. It is not like you can't wish for the whole world to have its problem solved, etc. I want the wish just to be for you, okay? This is open to UK only, and the closing date would be the end of October, which is the 31st, and that would be at 12 o'clock midnight. So that's it. Really easy. Okay, so I'm going to give you a quick look what's in here. Obviously any packaging, etc. I'm not going to open because this box doesn't belong to me. So inside you get a tiny little card, and the first item you will receive is this. So this is a cleansing puff. It's quite cute, it's pink. So that will just help buff off any dry skin that you might have when you're cleansing. So it's a really handy thing to have. Secondly, we have Beer Bombshell. This is in the colour Shipped. So I think this is like a highlighter pen. This is the colour here. So I'm assuming that's for highlight, maybe used as a eyeshadow. I don't know. It doesn't really say on the instructions or details what it's specifically for. But I'm sure whoever wins this will find a use for it, and it is sealed. And then we have this. This is called Lash Factor. This is for your brows. Longer, fuller and darker lashes and brows. That's quite good. Okay. Again, I haven't opened this. It's all sealed. Okay, and then we have Dr. Botanicals. This is called Hemp. This is a infused natural moisturizer. Now I like Dr. Botanicals. Normally these are, yes, they are vegan, cruelty, and they are 90% natural. So really handy. So that's that. There's also a little pin of a flamingo. I'm not quite sure what it represents. It just says on the bottom there, hashtag Coconut Lane. I have one of these actually, it's quite cute. You'll also receive the usual face mask. This is a Korean face mask. Body Edit. It's a caffeine, oh, it's a body mask, okay, with coffee bean and fruit extract. It's a Korean body mask and face masks are normally really good. Okay. And then the final item is a little palette. Palette name is Dawn Gazing Palette. This palette has no parabens, it's talc free, it has coconut and jojoba oil, it's cruelty free, it has no minerals and is vegan. It is saying that it has 12 buttery and highly pigmented shades in 3 different finishes: velvety matte, creamy metallic and long wearing glitter. This is absolutely gorgeous. I've got one, so I'm going to show you the colours, etc. that you will receive. Really nice. I didn't obviously want to open this one. So I swatched the palette. These are the colours, which are stunning, and colour payoff is beautiful. I only dipped in once on this. Now I did a palette yesterday for Revolution, and I dipped and dipped and dipped, and some of the colours just were not showing up. This is one dip, which I think is amazing. This is the palette here. So you'll receive it in a bit of bubble wrap. This is the box. This is the actual palette. And inside, some beautiful colours. I have used this a few times. I do like it. And like I say, the colour payoff is phenomenal. This is gorgeous. I wouldn't use it myself because my eyes are so sensitive, and if I get any of that in my eyes, I've had it. But yeah, I definitely use most of these colours on here because they're just up my alley. And I think it's quite good that I think there's most colours there that somebody would like to make a good eye look out of that palette. Okay, so that's it. Just look at the rules. You know how to enter. Good luck, and I'll speak to you in a month's time. Or I'll also we'll put up the winner's name, etc. on the end of this video, and also on my community page. So keep a lookout for the winner's name. Okay, so that is it. And by the way, last month, September's giveaway, Jacqueline Heath, well done. She won that September giveaway. So hopefully that'll be winning its way over to her very shortly. Right, that's it. So I hope you have a good day, good week, good month, and I'll speak to you on the 31st of October with the announcement of the winner. Please take care of yourselves. Mwah. Bye for now. Take care. Bye.